The stock market ended slightly in the red today, so let's talk about exactly why and what to look out for going into the trading day of Thursday, August 27th. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an avid day trader and investor. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Everything is my opinion. However, I trade the markets every damn day, so let's dive into it. Number one, today was basically a slightly hotter inflation, a little bit of a tick up in the 10-year treasury to 4.66. However, we got a tick down in oil, and it was a hurry up and wait until NVDA earnings tonight. So if you're wondering why the price action wasn't very much there, that is why. However, it is 8:42 p.m. on Wednesday night, so we know what NVIDIA reported, and their numbers were mind-bending. Revenue came in 96.22 billion. That was last quarter versus an estimated 92.27 billion. Their next quarter guidance is 108 billion. Okay, they beat top and bottom line. Also, their data center revenue 89 billion, up 117% year over year versus an expected 85.4 billion. So of course they beat everywhere. However, expectations are here. So the stock initially reacted poorly. However, if you kept an eye on it after the earnings call, after Jensen Wang came on, talked his game, NVIDIA actually got up to 219 plus in after hours. And as of right now, it's still technically up from originally being down. So it's going to be very curious to see how that reacts tomorrow and how the rest of the semiconductor trade reacts tomorrow. Also keep in mind, Jackson Hole starts tomorrow. However, we won't hear from Warsh until Friday. So that won't really move the markets yet. But Friday's a big day. Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Damn. Also, we do have some economic data coming at 8:30 a.m. initial jobless claims. Factoring in everything, NVIDIA's earnings, of course, prove that AI demand is still sky high. I do think if macro indicators obey, we don't get a huge tick up in oil, we don't get a huge tick up in yields. More than likely, a little bit of a bullish day going into tomorrow based on the after hours price action, but we will of course see. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for my stocks to watch video that I do every damn day, telling you exactly what I'm looking at going into the following day. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and follow. It means a lot to me. I appreciate it. And most importantly, don't forget, keep it green.